Hello everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name's Gary Darmiko and my NPM 2411156. And today we are exploring the dynamics worlds of international business. In an era where a product designed in California and sold in Brazil, understanding the global market is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. Um, and then we will look at how companies compete global. Yes, and the risk involved, and take a closer look at the powerhouse of the North American market. So, next slide. So, guys, to understand this field, we first need to define a global industry. Global industry and industry in which the strategic positions of competitors in major geographies or national markets are substantially influenced by their overall global position. And then a global company does not just sell about its gains massive advantage in R&D, production, and marketing that a local company simply cannot match. The global company, a company that's operated in more than one country, and financial advantage in cost and reputation that's pure domestic competitors do not have. This organization operates like a single coordinate machines planning and executing activities across borders to build a reputation that spans in the global. In the activity, global companies plan, execute, and coordinate their activities throughout the world. And then uh, the next slide, the next slide, key decisions in international marketing. Entering the global stage is not a random move. It requires five critical decisions. First, a company must decide if they are ever ready to go abroad. Deciding whether to enter foreign market, deciding which PSR product or service or region are abbreviated to enter. However, how to enter the market, deciding on the marketing program, deciding on the marketing organization, and then they must choose ready to go abroad, then they must choose exactly which product, service, or region to target. To target. Yes, alright. And then once the where it's settled, they must determine the how, the entry strategy. And finally, guys, the organization must design a marketing program and a structure. Yes, structure, guys, that can actually manage this international operation, deciding on the marketing organization. All right, next slide. The entering overseas market, manufacture and race. The question: why? Why leave the comfort of home? Why leave the comfort of home? We call these full factors. Companies are drawn by higher profit margins, a massive new customer base, and the need to diversify so they are not dependent on just one economy. Prefecture, higher profit opportunities, higher profit opportunities, and two, higher customer base, and three, the company wants to reduce dependence on just one market. Company customer move abroad and needs international service. And then risk. In the risk, step one, not knowing what horizon customer like, failing to offer an attractive product, and then not understanding the culture of the foreign country and how to deal with it, not knowing the regulation of the foreign country being interacted, then not having adequate human research. And however, this comes with serious risks. Many companies fail because they don't understand foreign customer, ignorance of foreign regulation. So, when deciding which market to enter, we must look at regional free trade zones. These zones, like the European Union, reduce trade barriers and make it easier to move goods between member countries. For a strategic, these zones are like gateways. Once you enter one country, next slide. And finally, let's look at the United States or US. It is the world's third largest population and a pillar of political stability. The US dollar is the global language of finance used in nearly half of all international transactions because of its military and political strength. The US is a magnet for capital flight, where investors from unstable regions send their money to the US for safety. This makes the US market incredibly liquid and attractive for any global player. So guys, maybe that's all I can say. Thank you for your attention, for your time, and see you guys.